Look what I made.
My friends are coming tonight. I made these potato tacos inspired by one of my favorite taco spots. I have a really crispy potato tacos.
Since my friends are coming over tonight, I'm making for them to try. Let's make the tortilla from scratch.
Start with masa flour, hot water, mix until it turns into a soft dough that doesn't stick. Super easy, only 2 ingredients. Alright, not sticky, the dough is good. Set aside for 1 hour.
While the tortilla is resting, let's start preparing the potatoes.
Give a potato a quick rinse. Peel off the skin. And that's all peeled. I'm going to roughly cut it.
Now we are going to cook the potato. Wow, be careful.
Let it cook about 20 minutes. It's ready now. Take all them out. Add garlic, butter. Smash it into a mashed potato. The tortilla dough is ready. I divide it into 12 pieces. Press the dough using a tortilla presser. I love this presser. Sometimes I even use for tart dough. Wow, look at that. Such a nice taco shell. I even found a better way to make it. Add the parchment paper in the between. Not sticky at all. All the taco shells are ready. Let's assemble. Pan fry it until golden and crispy. They are ready. Take them out.
Lastly, I'm going to make the green sauce for the taco.
Boil onion, pepper, jalapeno, and tomato for 15 minutes.
Oh my god, I almost forgot tomatoes.
Slice the tomatoes and clean out the center. They are nice and soft. I think they are ready. I'm going to blend everything into a sauce. Don't forget avocado. Start blending. Add some cilantro. Blend it again. The light green pepper, I'm going to make a side dish, adding some salt and smoked paprika. And give a mix. Time to plate up. Add the lettuce on top of the tacos, followed by tomatoes, my favorite cheese, and sour cream. The party is ready. Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipes like this. See you next time.